Welcome viewers, you're watching Bots based on true story, where we bring you stories that matters as they happen. As the world continues to move at a rapid pace, we remain your trusted source for in-depth analysis and breaking updates. Let's dive in today's lead.
Indian Ocean nation thinking of charging ships for sea passage. Iran and the US have blocked the Strait of Hormuz nearly for 2 months now. This has pushed oil prices up and hurt economies around the world. Now countries along the Indian Oceans are debating whether they should start charging ships passing through the sea routes, just like Iran is doing for Persian Gulf. Netanyahu says Iran uranium must go on. War is not over yet. The Iran-US war has now entered its 11th week. While both sides are trying to work out at a peace deal, Israel PM Netanyahu said the war is far over now. He made it clear that Iran's uranium must be removed and there still is a lot left to be done before any real peace can happen. Fernandez asked people to use fuel carefully, aimed raising tensions. Maharashtra CM Devendra Fernandez backed PM Modi appeal to use fuel responsibly, with the West Asia crisis pushing oil prices up worldwide. Fernandez warned that if India don't use fuel carefully, India could face shortage. India too could face a shortage. He urged citizens to not waste petrol and diesel in the tough times. PM Modi honors 98-year-old BJP workers at Bengal serving in. At the BJP government's swearing-in ceremony in West Bengal, PM Modi personally met and honored 98-year-old BJP worker Mahakalan Sarkar Suvendu Adhikari took oath on the West Bengal first BJP ever chief minister after party won in 2026 assembly election. Makhan Lal said he is now seeing the reward for his lifelong honesty and hard work for the party. Telangana CM aimed for $1 trillion economy by 2034. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy said the state aims to become one of the $1 trillion economy by 2034. Under his vision called Telangana Rising 2047, he also wants the state to contribute 10% of India's total GDP. He believes Telangana can become one of the biggest growth engines of the country in the coming years. Mumbai Indians out of IPL playoff. Hardik Pandya is also absent. Mumbai Indians have officially been knocked out for IPL 2026 playoff race. Coach Mahela Jayawardene Dene has faced tough press conference after the news. There are also questions raised about why star players like Hardik Pandya was being left out while playing 11. The 5-time IPL champions has disappointing season this year. Gifty Nifty broke 213 points after Trump rejects Iran peace wall. The Gifty Nifty May 2026 further fell by 213 points on Monday morning, hitting that Indian stock market may have opened weak note today. This drop came after the US President Donald Trump rejected Iran's latest peace deal, adding more worry to the global markets already stressed on the upcoming West Asia conflicts. Crude oil has hit $105 per barrel as Trump rejects Iran deal. Crude oil prices shot up to $105 per barrel on Monday morning after Trump rejected Iran's deals and replied to US peace proposal. The West Asia conflict is now in its 11th week with no deal in sight. The jump in oil prices being seen as a big worry for countries like India that import most of their oils. Gold prices, however, dropped by 0.7%.